Now children, here the map is given. Brazil, percentage of urban population in Brazil. So according to index 91 to 100, 81 to 90, then according to number, according to shades. So you can see the concentration of population more in southern part, that is Sao Paulo, Gross, Brasilia, Rio de Janeiro. So already we know the causes why the population is more concentrated in these places. Understood? Rich soil, large supply of natural resources, energy supply, good transport system. So these are the factors for which is responsible for the percentage of more urban population. Understood? So as you can see from the map, urbanization has occurred in more in coastal area than the states of the interior of the country. So अगर सरकार बोल रही है go to west, I already told you just now that go west policy adopting by Brazilian government. So western, that means near Rondônia, Acre, Amazonia, so Mato Grosso do Sul. So these are the places they are now um, adopting this policy, go west policy, so that there will be less burden in this part, Sao Paulo or Rio de Janeiro, Brasilia, all these things. Okay. Now as you see from the map, urbanization has occurred more in coastal area than the states in the interior of the country. States like Sao Paulo, Goiás, Minas Gerais have more urban population than the states in the north, as population is less in Amazon basin and Brazil, highlands, Brazilian highlands. Urbanization is also less. In this part, Manaus is the port on the confluence of the Negro and Amazon. Urbanization has occurred there. So Manaus in the top, northern part you can see little bit there, also population is there. So these are the factors: good transport system, energy supply, supply of natural and mineral resources, rich soil, which is also responsible. So these are the factors which are responsible for the growth of urban population in Brazil. The same condition we can also apply for India also. Why urbanization in particular places, or which are responsible for urban population in our country also. So on the whole, I will say that geographical, climatic condition, transport facilities, employment opportunities, all these factors, medical facilities, all these amenities. On the whole, amenities, if the amenities are available, then the mostly the concentration of urban population will be there. Understood? And that is why in any country you will find some places where population is more and some places where population is less. Understood? Now the last is the colors of both. So it is written that write a paragraph on the settlement pattern, urban and rural settlement and urbanization in India and Brazil. So you can make out that why urbanization in particular area, why the concentration of population is more in particular area both in India and Brazil. So it depends upon geographical, climatic factor and facilities, transport system. Understood? So this is your lesson. I hope you have understood well. And children, सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट है आपका लेसन रीडिंग करना. अगर आप लेसन रीडिंग नहीं करोगे तो यू कैन नॉट अंडरस्टैंड बाय एनीथिंग. आपको खुद से लर्न करना, आपको खुद से रीडिंग करना लेसन बहुत जरूरी. लेसन में कुछ ऐसे ज़्यादा हार्ड नहीं है. यू आर सपोज टू रीड दिस लेसन बाय योर सेल्फ. Human settlement, why the settlement is there, why the concentration of population is more in a particular place. Children, you know the Indian subcontinent has a long history of since ancient time. आपको मालूम है इंडिया में ऑलरेडी पॉपुलेशन हमारे रिवर बेसिन्स में कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड थे. यू ऑलरेडी वी हैव स्टडीड अबाउट इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन, हड़प्पन सिविलाइजेशन. ठीक है, तो ये हड़प्पन सिविलाइजेशन और जो भी इम्पॉर्टेंट सिटीज़ से, रिमेंबर इन एंशिएंट इंडिया जो भी इम्पॉर्टेंट सिटीज़ थे ड्यूरिंग द टाइम ऑफ अशोका, चंद्रगुप्त मौर्य, ऑल द मेजर सिटीज़ दे वर सेटल्ड बिसाइड्स रिवर बैंक. ठीक है, तो ये चीज़ आप अपने ध्यान में रखो कि सेटलमेंट जो है वो रिवर बैंक्स के पास में क्यों थे शुरू से, कैसे एंशिएंट टाइम में सेटलमेंट कैसे स्टार्ट हुआ, व्हेन हाउ द पीपल, हाउ द एंशिएंट पीपल दे स्टार्टेड, दे गॉट दिस थॉट दैट वी आर सपोज टू सेटल डाउन नियर रिवर बैंक. सो यही आपको सोच के चलना है कि with the help of those availability of resources, water, that time water was the basic need of, now also we are having water is the basic need. So according to the need of the people, they thought that we will settle a particular place. So these are the things which is very important. So this shows that India has a great tradition of urbanization. See, already we know that Harappan civilization or Indus Valley civilization were urban civilization. People were so developed. Town planning, excellent town planning, the Great Bath. So all those things which was there during that time also. So urban population is very important, and mostly I told you that literacy level is also another factor which contributes toward the growth of higher percentage of urban population. Understood, children? So with this I am going to finish this lesson. Please read your lessons thoroughly. There is nothing hard in this lesson, and please try, you are supposed to do all this activity. Already I told you about those, that line graph you are supposed to prepare, that line graph of Brazil, so of urbanization, and write 5 sentence also, and please read your lessons, and I will give you question answers also. Thank you.